Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to draft a basic sleeve pattern. So if this is something you are interested in, then please keep on watching. So here I have my paper folded into 2 equal parts, and you will need at least 10 inches on fold. So we need our cap's height, and to calculate this you divide your bust by 12 plus 0.5. So I'm working with the bus 36, so 36 divided by 12, I have 3 plus 0.5, 3.5, and we need half inch to join the sleeve to the armhole of the dress. So that plus 0.5, and I have 4 inches. So that is our cap's height. So from the shoulder line or the crown, I'll mark 4 inches down across. From there we need our elbow, so shoulder to elbow. Standard is 13, so plus half inch for joining allowance will be 13.5. And then your sleeve length, so you add half inch as well for joining allowance. And then afterwards you add about 1.5 or 2 inches for hemming allowance. So now we need our armhole measurement. So on your pattern or dress, you can mark your shoulder to chest line, or you can divide your bust by 6 and add 1.5. So here I have 7.5. So I'll input that on the cap's height, and afterwards you just slant it this way from the crown to that point like this. Divide that line into 2 equal parts, and then you mark the midpoint like this. So from there you mark half inch up like this, and if you don't have a curved ruler, you just use your free hand just like this. And then you take your straight ruler, you connect from that half inch to the cap's height like this, and then again from the crown with your free hand you can just curve like this. And from there as well you connect it to the cap's height just like this, and then you can decide to go deeper for this if you want. So here we have the back and then the front. So next we will input the round elbow, and this is how I take my round elbow. I make a fist like this just for ease. So I'll take half of that and then I'll input it. Same applies to the wrist. I'll measure around my wrist and make sure the tape is able to pass around my hand like this. And then I have 8.5. I'll divide that into 2. Then I'll go ahead and connect the points together like this. I'll go ahead and add 1.5 allowance. This depends on the allowance you used on your dress or the armhole of your dress. So I'll go ahead and blend the allowance to the armhole like this. So if you want a short sleeve, all you have to do is to measure the length of your sleeve, and then you measure around your biceps like this, and then afterwards you make sure you add hemming allowance to the sleeve length, just like that. Okay, so I'll fold the hem or the allowance. I'll fold the hemming allowance like this before I cut. So I'll cut the back first. You can actually do this on your fabric. You don't need to really cut on a paper before you transfer. You can do this directly on your fabric. So you open your sleeve like this, and then you now cut the front separately. I'll name here back and then front. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. I'll see you in my next one.